Hello, welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia back with yet another video. This video is sponsored by a company called Hergivenhair. I've worked with them several times in the past, and due to my footage being a little bit corrupt, I lost the intro to this video, so I just added a picture of the extensions that I'm using. These are tape-in extensions. They are natural coily texture, 16 inches, in a natural color, and each bundle comes with about 40 pieces, and I had 2 bundles that they sent. So shout out to Hergivenhair. I will be sure to link all their stuff down below as well. So yeah, it's called Wings by Hergivenhair, and yeah, they sent me a discount code as well for you guys. It is Olivia. So what I did was I posted for a model in my mailing list, and this lovely lady decided to come in and be my muse. So all I'm doing is adding these tape-ins. I requested that she came in with her hair already like washed and air dried, but she did add a little bit of product, and I don't think she realized that it was kind of like still residue left over. So I just had to finesse because I wasn't going to shampoo her and then have to sit there and wait for her hair to dry to diffuse and then put these on. So all I did was add these tape-ins all throughout her hair. I did add 3 out of the 4 packs, and then all I did was go in with a towel and some water and just wipe off some of that, I think, leave-in conditioner that she missed. So yeah, you see that is not my doing. She literally came with the hair natural, ready to go, and I just added these in. Again, my footage was corrupt, so I was not able to get the intro, but I showed her hair before, but I just added a picture instead so you guys get the gist. This is my first time using this texture curly tape-in. I normally use straight tape-in, so I thought it was pretty dope that these are natural hair tape-ins, which is better for people that don't want to press their hair all the time, but just add a little bit more fullness and length. So here I am, I'm just wiping the extra residue off, and then I'm just going to proceed to just put these all throughout her hair just to give it a little bit of fullness. And then I am going to go in and spray it down just a tiny bit with my mister, and then I'm going to add in some curl cream. But I want to show you guys how it looks when it's naturally curly versus how it looks when it's saturated, and then I will pull it up and so on and so forth. So just enjoy this, and I will be back shortly. And if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia. And again, be sure to check out Wings by Hergivenhair info down in the description box. They are going to give me a discount code. So if you're going to order some hair from them, make sure to use that. Okay, so now that she's all installed, I'm just taking down her leave out, and I did leave the perimeter of her hair out so that way she can pull it up and it'll look natural. But because this is like a shorter style tape in, I just made sure that I just pulled it up at the top. But if it's longer and her hair was longer, she definitely can pull it up. She still could, but it would just be like really poofy or give like a high puff type of vibe. So we opted just to do it down. But I'm just showing you guys how nicely it blends with her natural hair texture. You can definitely get away with this, especially with the tone. It definitely blends in with her natural hair, nice and full, and it's pretty comparable to her actual length of hair. It just gives a little bit longer and a little bit more fullness. So here we go with just it freshly installed, no product. And now I'm just going to go in with my Framework spray bottle, and I'm also going in with a new curl product I have not used before. It's like this curl cream that I got sent by Leaf and Flower, and I'm just going to saturate her hair and then apply that all throughout. And then I am going to use a diffuser to get that to dry, but I'm doing this so that way the true pattern can come out. This is a coily texture, so it's more of like a 4C type of texture, or in the 4 family. I typically don't do hair type, but I just want to give you guys the correct information in case you guys want to compare it to something similar. It's in that range, more on the natural kinky curly side or coily side. So I'm just going to saturate her, and then I'm going to pull it up. We just did like these 2 little space buns. I was like, she's giving like an edgy feel. And then I'm just going to go ahead and diffuse this as well, and then I will show you guys the end result in just a few. Again, I will link the info and the discount code down below, and let me know if you have tried natural tape-ins. This is my first time trying it. I didn't even know they made natural hair tape-ins, to be honest, so I thought that was kind of cool. But let me know your thoughts, and if you like tape-ins. This will be my 3rd time doing them, and each time I've tried it, I put it on my channel, so I'm getting better with each install. Bear with me. But yeah, I feel like I've been ranting enough, so I'm going to be sure to drop all the information down below, and I will be back at the end. So now I can see more of the texture coming through. So I'm just going to pull up the top half of her hair, do like a half up, half down look. Again, you can do a ponytail, a high poof, or like some space buns. I just decided to do some cute little edgy space buns. I was inspired kind of by like Afro punk, and she was giving off that like edgy vibe. So I just threw that in really quick, and I'm just going to take it down just so you guys can see. But the sides are completely blended. Just make sure that if you do these, you leave out enough hair around the perimeter so that way she can pull them up if she wants to. But yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to take the hair down. But this pretty much concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below if you like this style tape-in. Be sure to check out Wings by Her Given Hair, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.